Hello friends, welcome to the new tutorial of Graph Gallery. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add a second y-axis to a graph in R, just like I have done here. Now let's start the tutorial. Here, the first step is to load the required library. Here, in our case, we are using only ggplot2 library. And then the next step is to set the working directory. In my case, the working directory is G Graph Gallery, so I'm setting is as a working directory. The next is to load the data. In my case, the data is in weather.csv file. Here, first column contains the month, second column contains temperature for all 12 month, and the next column contains rainfall value for particular month. Now, I'm loading the data in R and assigning the data is a df data frame. Then the next step is in my data sets, the first column contains the name of month is abbreviation like JAN for January, FEB for February, MAR for March, like that. To avoid plotting these in x-axis as a chronological or alphabetical order, I'm assigning these as a factor and as a label as a month abbreviation, so that R can automatically detect the first column is the month name in abbreviation form. So here the data is first column month, second temperature, and third is rainfall. Now I'm going to plot these both temperature and rainfall value in the same graph. In x-axis I'm using month in a ggplot, and as a first y-axis I'm using rainfall data as a bar diagram. So if I run only up to here, then this will plot the rainfall value as a x-axis as a month and y-axis as a rainfall value. Here rainfall value is up to the 400. Then I'm going to use temperature data as a line plot here. Here the rainfall value is quite large than temperature value, like 384, the maximum rainfall value, and in case of temperature it's only 24. So to make a nice plot, I'm multiplying the temperature value by 10, because ggplot use the same axis value for plotting both parameters. So I'm now multiplying the temperature by 10, and I'm adding the secondary axis, and in the secondary axis I am dividing the secondary axis by 10 to plot the actual value of temperature. So here I'm dividing the secondary axis by 10 and multiplying temperature by 10, so that the plot will be in the middle, like in the middle of the graph and with actual value. Then I'm using the theme as a black and white, and x-axis name as a month, and other parameters in a theme for the text and font size. So if I plot this all, then there will be a nice plot with both temperature and rainfall in primary y-axis, month in x-axis, and temperature value in secondary y-axis. Now I'm saving my plot as a my plot.png file using gshape, and here is my final plot. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll meet with you again in the next tutorial.